Alright, today I'm going to scrap a computer scanner. I'm not seeing much in here, a lot of plastic. That rod that the scanner rides on, there's a light bar here. The rod the light bar rolls on might be stainless, it might be brass. I've seen brass ones, stainless ones. This one's probably just steel, but it is close to a 1/2 inch thick, so I can throw that in my heavy melt. I'm going to start by getting all the screws out. And I don't even see any. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, that was easy. Look at that. Now, these little standoffs here, these are typically brass. My magnet. Yeah, I think that's brass. I broke that one right off. Piece of tin, and this is you can consider this high grade board. These black plastic things, these have platinum palladium in them, and plus all these connectors here are gold. Mid grade to high grade board, and yeah, these are brass. So these little standoffs would go in your brass bucket. It all adds up. What else we got in here? Oh, there's only one way to get in there. Does it pry open? It's not. Garbage. Put on the gloves. Wow! Is that glass? That's unbelievable. That's not even glass. How do I get into this thing? Well, I'm about to give up on it. Let's see if we can pry this plastic off. Whew, thank God for safety glasses. I don't believe it, that was real glass. Alright, I'm going to go dump this out in my trash barrel. I'll be right back. I'm back. We got a light bar. There's some garbage, some tin, coated copper, a little motor in here. Just a small bit. Nope, the big bit. It's a good thing I always wear my safety glasses. Man, what are they trying to do to me? Check this with a magnet. Not magnet sticks. If it is stainless, it's low grade stainless. I'm just going to throw it in my tin bucket. And copper bearing motor. This is actually a servo. That's about it. Garbage. Little piece of circuit board. I think it was worth the couple minutes it took to scrap it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.